Hi everyone, this is Alan Rosinski from Metro Manhattan Office Space. Good evening. A few days ago, the social media giant Twitter announced that their staff could continue to work from home indefinitely once the lockdown ends. Now, many tech companies do this, many commercial tenants. It's going to have a major impact on the commercial real estate market. A large portion of the workforce is doing solitary type of work, coding, writing, research related, particularly in the technology areas. So there could be a substantial reduction in the need for commercial office space. Now, looking at Twitter, in New York City, for example, they are a tenant at 249 West 17th Street. And they lease approximately 60,000 square feet, which is around half the building. So if many of these tech companies institute home from work and their employees prefer that, there could be a substantial reduction in office space in addition to the companies, to the tenants, which are going to go bust after the COVID or during the COVID crisis. So there's going to be a major increase for the moment in vacancies and lower rents. But some of this is going to depend on the preference of employees. Work is social. Work can, going to your office can increase productivity. You go to the office, you're interacting with your team. You're running into coworkers at the water cooler, the coffee machines, you're speaking with them. There's a certain personal contact which I would find difficult to recreate via a Zoom meeting. It's kind of a mixed bag, but I'd like to hear from you, my subscribers, what you think, what your experience has been with remote work. Do you find it preferable? Do you want to just continue to stay at home and work, not having to go to your office? Do you see a situation where you'd work 2 or 3 days from home, go into your office a couple of days a week? Or are you just itching to completely go back to your office, escape from your wife, your kids, and just really have a distinct separation between work and home? Now, of course, if you're able to work at home, for many employees, many people, you can save 10, 15 hours a week in commuting. Disadvantages, there's not much of a separation between home and work, and people are more motivated, maybe a bit more compulsive. It can be tough to disengage from work. I mean, another extreme is some people need structure and some people are maybe somewhat less motivated, and it can be difficult to focus if they're attempting to work from home, particularly if they're distracted by their kids, their wife, an occasional delivery. And at the moment, there's a certain fear from a health perspective about going to work. But that's going to fade over time. So we're going to see what the long-term impact is. Now, of course, employers, companies are going to be very, very motivated to reduce their real estate costs by keeping their staff working at home, particularly when studies have shown that remote work is, level of productivity is not much reduced from having staff members going into the office. I mean, personally, I would miss getting in the subway, going to an office, interacting with other people. I mean, on the other hand, the technology is there to just work from home. And there's been a major investment by companies at the start of the epidemic in buying furniture, computers, printers, and I mean, the structure's there now to continue this. So I'd like to hear what you all think. In any case, speaking of Twitter, I would ask you, if you could, please tweet me any potential topics you have for the channel, any questions, and I will respond very quickly. So have a nice evening. Until the next time, this is Alan Rosinski from Metro Manhattan Office Space, and of course, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good night now.